In this video, I am going to show you how to knit one through back loop and purl one through back loop. You will see it as K1TBL or P1TBL. And of course the K for knit, P for purl. But let's go for it and show you. I'm going to start with the very first one, and instead of knitting like normal, you're going to knit through the back of the loop towards the back way, not towards you, away from you. And then just knit like you would and pull it through towards you. That's a knit. Now we're going to pull the yarn in front as if to purl, and normally you would go through the front loop, but this time you're going to kind of twist it. It's a little awkward, but you'll kind of twist it and go through the back loop towards you. And then you'll purl like normal and then pull it through towards the back. Okay, we're going to do another knit. You can always pull your stitches if you need to. Kind of give it a pull. Go through the back and then knit and pull towards you. Yarn in front. And again, just give it a little tug to loosen it up. Purl. Go out the back. And then again through the back. See, it gets a little tight sometimes with the purl, so just give it a pull, and then I grab it on the thing and push down to where it gives some slack in the back of it, and then wrap that around and pull it through. And then back in the front again, I'm gonna give some slack, if you can see that. Then I hold it and then just reach around it and then purl it. Again. And then pretty soon you'll get used to it, but if you need to tighten or loosen those stitches up, just stick that needle through there and give it a pull so you can work it better. Pull it out and see how I made just a hole that I could see and see what I'm doing. Pull it through the back. Again. See, I'm grabbing the other one, so I want to just make it to where I can get through there nice and easy. Pull it through, that's the knit. And then we'll do a purl. Now another knit. And another purl. And I'll just get to the end here so I can show you again what it looks like. I like to just hold on to my needles, obviously, so I just grab. So if you can't see it exactly, I apologize, but I don't want it to fall out either. And we are getting to the end. And we've got one more knit through the back. And one more purl. There we go. And that is how you do twisted stitches. Now when you work it on the back, you're basically just doing the same exact thing. So even though you purled or knit it on the back, you're gonna knit and purl it through the back loop on the other side of your piece. If you're working it in the round, then you're just doing the same thing each each row. And normally each row would be done. I'll show you an example of why the purl comes in handy. So this is one of my hat patterns, and it is knit through the back all the way through and also purled through the back all the way through, because I made this one into a folded brim. And as you can see, the inside part looks exactly like the outer part. It's also reversible. So you can see that it is purled as well as knit through the back loop. And that's how you do a knit through back loop and a purl through back loop. The link to this hat is going to be below, and anything I used in the video will be linked below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.